Alright guys, how are we doing? It's your boy Yona KW. Welcome to my Airbnb room in Edinburgh. As you can see, I still have not had a shave or a haircut. That's why I'm going to wear hats for this whole week. But anyway, last week I was in Madrid. The prelim was alright. I was kind of tired in the morning when I woke up. But I went to the pool feeling, average. Bit of a difficult pool to dive in Madrid, but I went there and scored 396 in the prelim, which is my highest score since the Olympics in the prelim. Chase going out there, exciting. What was I saying? Yeah, I've always been about trying to get the best score in the prelim. I'm never kind of about taking it easy in the prelim. You gotta try and do the best you can to make sure that you're in the next round. So to go 396, it's native 400. Might not be high enough for world champs just yet, but it's a great start, especially for how I was feeling back then. I ended up finishing 4th as well, so I was in a good position, and I went into semi-final A. And semi-final was only an hour and a half after the prelim finished, so I just chilled at the pool, had a little sleep, then went to the semi-final. Again, it was nothing special, pretty average. My 4 kind of easy dives that I used last season were reasonably good, nothing special, but not quite good enough to carry me through due to the 2 mistakes that I made, as you'll see now. Of course, making mistakes like that in competition is disappointing and kind of difficult to deal with, especially when you score that low, because I scored 330, which is one of my lowest scores in the last 2 years. But it's all about learning the experience, and this is 2017, so the year after the Olympic Games. If we look back to 2013, which was the year after 2012, the position I was in then in terms of my progression from there to the games in 2016, I'm at a much advanced stage now because of the dives that I'm using, and I gotta get used to those dives, and sometimes it might not go well in competition, but you gotta learn from your mistakes. And fortunately, I've got a competition straight afterwards, so I can test myself, see if I've actually learned from my mistakes straight away. But also, it's all about looking forward to world champs and all about the prelim out there. And I think these 2 dives, after a little bit more work at home in training, these 2 dives should be alright to go into the prelim, because I know I can do them right. I just need to work out how to do it right all the time and make my body do it right all the time, and also then control my head when I get into competition so I can do it right in competition. That's the beauty of diving.